Why do or does plus subject plus verb is used to ask someone the reason or purpose for someone's actions. Why do plus subject plus verb is used when the subject is I, you, we, they, or a plural noun. Examples. Why do I feel bad about the situation? Why do I say these things? It's because I care. Why do you frown whenever I say his name? Why do you work so hard? Why do they hate the government so much? Why do we need to go to Japan? Why do they bother you so much? Why do you care what they think about you? Why do the children say about their classes in school? Why do mothers like to stay at home and take care of their children? Why does plus subject plus verb is used when the subject is he, she, it, or a singular noun. Examples. Why does he sleep late at night? Why does he think I hate him? Why does he starve himself just to buy that car? Why does she invest her money in the bank and not in stocks? Why does she sleep over at your house every weekend? Why does she like going to the beach? Why does it bother you when I don't eat vegetables? Why does it seem to get harder each day? Why does Michelle buy her clothes from the thrift shop? Why does Sharon wake up at 4 a.m. every day?